guys, Mr. Starry. Today what I wanted to talk about was the idea of zero slope versus undefined slope. If you remember from our other videos, zero slope is a horizontal line, right? We know that. That's what zero slope is. It's going to be horizontal in nature. Undefined slope is going to be some line that is vertical or up and down. Remember, U-N-D, up and down is a way that we can remember that. What I wanted to do is, what does this look like numerically? How do I know that I have a zero answer or an undefined answer? And what's the difference between the two? Before we get started here, what I want to do is I want to graph my two ordered pairs here. So I want to find, or I should have the word and here. I want to find the slope between these two ordered pairs. But before I do that, let's graph them, just kind of roughly. Let's go over 8 to the right and up 10. And let's go -6 to the left and up 10. And what we'll notice is those two dots are perfectly across from each other and we have a horizontal line. So what we know is that these 2 points are going to give me a horizontal line. But what does that look like numerically? Well, remember, we're going to reference our formula up here. My y2, remember it's x1, y1, x2, y2. Now I'm ready for my formula. My y2 value is 10. My y1 value is also 10. Over, my x2 value is -6. My x1 value is 8. So I'll do -8. When I do this, I get 10 minus 10, which is 0. -6 minus 8, which is -14. Remember, I have a fraction with 0 in the numerator and a non-zero denominator. So what that means is my slope is 0, or m equals 0. Over here, before we get started, this should be undefined. Well, let's double check. Let's graph. We go 4 to the left, up 2. We go 4 to the left, up 8. Again, just a rough sketch, and turns out I have my vertical line. So my slope should be undefined. But again, what does that look like numerically? Well, my x1, y1, x2, y2. I'm ready for my formula. y2 minus y1. My y2 value is 8, minus y1 is 2, over x2 is -4, minus -4. 8 minus 2 is 6. -4 minus -4 actually is going to give me 0. And here's the major difference. Notice, when I get zero slope, I have a 0 in the numerator. Okay? When I get undefined slope, I'll have a 0 in the denominator. When we see a 0 in the denominator, undefined slope. Again, just to review. 0 in, numerator equals 0 slope. 0 in denominator equals undefined slope. That's all I have for you today. Talk to you in the next one.